Hello, sir. Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Sir, so just I want to ask, how do you assess this entire year, and what is your experience, and something new if you have experience this year? So, what would you like to say?
As usual, I think this is the ninth year that my child is in the school. Actually, children now in the school, and every year the experience gets better. Be it focus on the academics, be it focus on the extracurricular activity, or something that I really loved and that I think that if it was ever done with my school when I was a kid, was taking them out on leadership trails. You know, when they're taken out for 2-3 days and they're all by themselves, and that's where the true development happens. There is a lot that happens in the classroom, no doubt about it. But what happens outside when the parents are not watching, when nobody is judging them, I think that's where the true development happens. And kudos to Poonam ma'am for all the extra effort that she puts in ensuring that each child is given extra focus, specific focus, and that pretty much reflects on this the wall of achievement. Right? So I think we feel lucky, absolutely lucky, that both our kids are here.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, Kamal?
I'm doing very good, ma'am. So, ma'am, just want to know a few lines about your experience for this year 2024 and 25.
Oh, okay. Actually, this year, Diya is completing, I think, 8 years in the school.
Congratulations, Diya. Yes.
She is here since Montessori. And what I have been telling always is this is a perfect balance of academics, extracurriculars, co-curricular activities, sports activities. And this year also we had a good journey, zonals, Olympiads, everything. It's a perfect blend, and I think that's very essential for the overall development of our child. And I'm so glad that Diya is able to contribute or is able to participate in various aspects. So it was a great experience for us also. We also learn as a parent. Every year we are growing as a parent.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much for the support that teachers give us.
Hello sir, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning ma'am. Good morning. How are you doing today?
एकदम बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छा.
सर जस्ट मैं आपसे बस ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि कैसा रहा आपका ये साल आपके बच्चे के लिए, ये वाला साल, और इस साल की कोई ऐसी मेमोरीज़ या कोई ऐसी अचीवमेंट्स या कोई ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं.
ये साल बहुत अच्छा रहा हिया के लिए. सो माई डॉटर हिया ये क्लास 9th में अब आई हैं. अभी इन्होंने 8th का एग्ज़ाम दिया है और शुरू से BGS में है. तो हर साल की तरह ये साल भी बहुत अच्छा रहा. शी इज़ स्कॉलर. शी गॉट 99.2.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स तो अच्छा है ही, लेकिन को करिकुलर में भी हिया ने स्टेट लेवल दिल्ली स्टेट टॉप किया है डिबेट कंपटीशन में इंग्लिश एक्सटेम्परी. इसके अलावा कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में भी उत्सव में इसने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स में इसने लिया है और अच्छा शी हैज़ वन ऑल्सो. तो द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि जो बैलेंस यहाँ पे मिलता है हर बार से. दैट्स वाई मैं इसी में मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है BGS. तो वो बहुत अच्छा है पढ़ाई के साथ साथ, क्योंकि थ्रू आउट द एकेडमिक के साथ और बाकी जो कॉम्पिटिशन है उसमें भी इसी तरीके से कंटिन्यूसली स्कॉलर्स में आना कॉम्पिटिशन्स में भी वो मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था, क्योंकि मैं शुरू से था कि रादर देन एकेडमिक्स ऑलराउंडर बच्चा रहे तो दैट्स गुड फॉर द ओवरऑल हेल्थ एंड कैरियर.
टोटली एग्री.
तो स्कूल ने पूरा मेरे को सपोर्ट किया हमेशा. इसकी जब हमें बीच में हमें थोड़ी चिंता थी कि इतने सारे एक्टिविटीज़ हो रही हैं, हाउ शी विल परफॉर्म इन एकेडमिक्स, तो हमने मैम से बात की, पूनम मैम से. पूनम मैम ने कहा कि तो उनके लिए रेगुलर एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस भी हुई हैं, संडे को भी क्लासेस हुई हैं, तो ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम आया नहीं हमें स्कूल की तरफ से. हमें एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड. और बाकी तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. मतलब नो वर्ड्स.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक यू. हैव गुड डे सर.
थैंक यू.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Good, sir. Thank you so much.
And how are you, Krish? I think Krish.
Fine.
Very nice. I still remember your name. All right. So, ma'am, I just want to know about your year. I mean, his year. कैसा रहा ये इनका साल पूरा 2024-25 और कोई ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप इसके बारे में बताना चाहें इस साल के बारे में स्पेशली.
Sir, the year has been very good. हमेशा की तरह, like every year, academically very good. Sports में he is into football, so he played lot of matches and he's won also. So pretty much growing in the sense of learning. Learning definitely. Academically, though, I've never faced any kind of issues with anybody in the school. All the teachers, principal ma'am, everybody is very supportive. So it has been excellent, like always. We are very happy with another year in the school.
So I think you are related here from last 10 years or something?
More than
9
that.
years? More than that? Yes, because the elder brother
Yes.
is also here.
More than that, my elder one is giving these board exams this year. So when he joined the school, he was in level 2. So
Almost 14 years.
14 years, yes. I've been associated with the school for 14 years and I've never had faced any kind of issues with the school. Rather, everybody has been very supportive and that's the reason that we admitted our younger one also. He's also here since level 2. So now he's going to class 8th.
Okay,
So,
wow.
yes, I think it's more like a family now.
Anything, ma'am, you want to say something?
No, I think whomsoever I have met who are people who are looking for the admission in the school, I've always recommended to get in BGS because of the system and the kind of, the management, how principal ma'am takes care of each and everything in the school and how she manages everything, and of course the support of the teachers and everybody, everything has been really good. So I think I've recommended it to so many people now and I will be doing it for years. So
Thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you
Have a
so
good day,
much, sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, you too. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Very fine. How are you?
I'm very much good, ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, just want to know a few lines about this entire year. How do you assess this year? What is the
Been a
experience?
great year, and in fact, my daughter has performed pretty well. And teachers were really good, especially for class 5th and 8th. In fact, I was asking principal ma'am to promote the entire batch of teachers to class 9th also. So like we are very impressed with the faculty.
Wow, very nice. I think Alicia had won some prizes or something in this music or
Yeah, in music she won Voice of Dwarka.
Great.
She won second prize, and I think in St. Thomas she got first prize in debates.
Wow. Very nice, very nice. So congratulations to you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Raghav was literary coordinator for this year.
Wow, very nice. Congratulations to you. Thank you. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I just got to know that you have got scholarship. You have topped entire class 6. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so how do you feel now?
I feel very happy, and this all credit goes to my teachers who have helped me and solved all my doubts.
Very nice. So any particular favorite teacher for you?
Any particular? All the teachers are good.
All the
There's
teachers
no
are good.
particular for me.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Congratulations. And you, Ashmit. Your name is Ashmit, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how was your result and this year experience?
Sir, the experience was very good. I was happy to see my new teachers, and my teachers were very helpful. They helped me with all my doubts, and they also helped me in my scholastic study.
All right. Very nice. Okay. Thank you and congratulations. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Okay, so ma'am, just want to know few lines about this entire, year and 24-25. So how do you experience and something new or something to say?
So we have been associated with the school for last 6 years now.
6 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
And my son is in class 8, so he's moving to class 9 this time.
All right.
So yeah, overall we are very satisfied, and just like all the previous years, this year also I think the way the teachers teach and all the extracurricular activities are done and where all the kids are engaged, right? I think that is very motivating for the kids, and it's very good to also see the teachers putting all their hard work, right? And also principal ma'am ensuring that she is part of all the things that are going in the
Yes,
school.
yes.
That really helps.
Yes. Okay, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Good to see you after long time. And we always meet on PTM only, right?
Yes, yes.
हाँ जी
yes.
मैम, तो प्लीज़ आपको ये बताना है कि इस साल आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है 2024-25 ये कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा. It was fantabulous. मतलब प्रिंसिपल मैम की गाइडेंस और उसके साथ बहुत अच्छा रहा. उनकी जो विजनरी अप्रोच है बहुत अच्छी. टीचर्स
कोई स्पेसिफिक चीज़ जो आपको बहुत पूरे साल में सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल या याद रही है तो बता दो.
सब कुछ ही अच्छा था. इवन जो भी
कोई ऐसी एक्टिविटी या कोई ऐसा ट्रिप या टूर बच्चों का?
जो बच्चों के ट्रिप्स थे वो बहुत अच्छे थे. बच्चा मतलब अभी भी जो मेरी डॉटर है वो अभी उसकी फोटोज़ वगैरह देख के बहुत हैप्पी होती है.
कौन सा स्पेशल ट्रिप्स थे वैसे? दिविशा, आप कहाँ गए थे इस साल में घूमने के लिए? आगरा गए थे आप? ओके. एंड व्हाट अबाउट द एल्डर सिस्टर? वो कहाँ गए थे?
शी वेंट टू आई गेस रणथंबोर.
रणथंबोर. इट वाज नाइस ट्रिप आई थिंक, है ना? चलिए. ओके. थैंक यू मैम, वेरी मच मैम. थैंक यू दिविशा. बाय बाय. Hello sir, good morning.
Hello, very good morning.
How are you, sir?
All good, thank you.
All right, sir. So, sir, just want to ask something about, this entire year. How do you assess this year, 2024-25? And what's your child name and in which class your child studied?
So my child name is Vansh Lamba. He is in level 3A.
Okay.
So last 1 year or even last 2 years, I can see a very good change in terms of his learning capability, and, in his interest towards learning the things, new things, vocabulary. So quite a good experience getting his doubts, questions from the school. And yes, he has developed an interest in new habits, new spellings, colors, shapes, everything. So we can feel that change coming from the school, definitely.
All right.
And teachers are putting their effort. It is visible from his interest towards education,
Very nice.
towards his reading.
Good, sir.
So
So, any particular activity or any particular like trips or from like Wednesday activities or extracurricular activities you want to talk about?
Yes. So there are a lot of trips which Vansh is going on time to time, which he is telling me, and it creates a sense of bonding when I see him talking about his friends, his colleagues, his teachers. So that activities are helping a lot. Plus, there are some competitions which are offering him platform to come towards the stage and present himself through storytelling, through songs or other activities. So this is the best part. Apart from normal education, he is going towards new activities in terms of team player, bonding with his colleagues, and so definitely apart from education, we got to see a lot of new activities which he is taking a part of. And again, the credit goes to teachers and principal ma'am. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Have
Thank
a good
you.
day, sir. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Vanya Kushagra, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning. So, ma'am, just want to know about this year. How do you assess this year, or something achievement of children's? So, if you want to say something about it.
Vanya has scored 100 on 100 in Sanskrit.
Wow.
Thank you to ma'am. She has guided so well. And Kushagra also. They both have done well. Both have got the achiever cards, scholar cards.
Very
This
nice.
year-
I know both of them from the beginning. They are always a topper. So, any specific thing if you want to mention about this year, like
Specifically,
trips, activities, and co-curricular activities, academics, anything?
I must say Kushagra was facing some problem in the starting of this session, but Arkaja ma'am and Abha ma'am, special mention to them. They have handled the situation very nicely and उसको बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने हैंडल किया इमोशनली. एकेडमिकली तो स्कूल एक्सेल करता ही है, बट इमोशनली भी बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट कुशागर को मिला, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एज पेरेंट वी फील कि हमारा बच्चा इज सेफ हियर. कुशागर के लिए स्कूल इज़ ऑलवेज अ हैप्पी प्लेस. मतलब जब से कुशागर हैज़ जॉइन BGS, तो इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी प्लेस फॉर हिम. एंड जिससे अगर थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम आई भी तो टीचर्स हैंडल्ड वेरी नाइसली. एंड वान्या का तो सर आप ही इंस्पिरेशन है. आपसे इंस्पायर होके इतना बढ़िया शी स्टार्टेड डांसिंग. मतलब
Yes, I know very well because she danced
वी
really well.
ऑलवेज फील कि शी कैन टेक डांस एज अ मेन स्ट्रीम. हमें उसको लगता है उसका करियर वी कैन मेक इन डांस. इतना अच्छा यू हैव गाइडेड हर.
Thank you so
और
much.
दैट इन अ प्लेफुल मैनर. नॉट मैं बोलती हूँ कि सर आपकी तरह तो दैट इज़ द मेन रीज़न. कोई नहीं सिखा सकता. नो प्रेशर. डांस इज़ ऑलवेज मतलब उसके लिए टाइम ऑफ एन्जॉयमेंट. वो तो आपके लिए तो ऑलवेज बिग थैंक्स.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
आई
much.
कैन मतलब उससे ज़्यादा तो मतलब मैं तो मेरे को लगता है कि वान्या को आपने बनाया है. मतलब एक लाइन दी है कि हमें भी दिखता है
Okay.
कि शी कैन डू दैट.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you much. Have a good day. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर.
God
थैंक यू
bless
वेरी मच.
Thank you.
थैंक यू टू प्रिंसिपल मैम ऑल्सो.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
All right, sir. I'm very good, sir. Thank you. So, sir, I just want to know a few lines about this entire year, 2004-25. So, how do you assess this year?
Sure. So my daughter got passed out from level 3 class. So in Dwarka, basically there are a lot of schools. You say even I applied for even 30 odd schools. But my experience from this school is pretty good so far. So my few observation that first of all the school focuses on holistic development, not only on academics or sports or one particular field. So the focus on holistic development is very commendable. And secondly, the teachers and the staff, including respected principal ma'am, they are very engaging, For example, in day-to-day's lives of children, they knows everything. They knows each and every parents by name, and they nurture the child like their own child. So these few examples are very commendable, which makes this school stands for tall among all. And also this school overall gives value for money. This is not business oriented school, or as we observe, many private schools are business oriented nowadays. This is reality of today's harsh realities of today's world. But this school overall, only goal with blessing of Swamiji also is only growth and development of children. Yeah. So I am pretty much happy and will recommend to others also.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
Fine, well, thank you.
Very nice, sir. Thank you. I'm very good, sir. Thank you. So, sir, just want to know about this year. So, how was this year for you and for your children? तो कैसा उन्होंने परफॉर्म किया या समथिंग कुछ स्पेसिफिक कोई आप कोई चीज़ मेंशन करना चाहेंगे तो?
ईयर वॉज वेरी नाइस, ग्रेट, और बच्चों को नई नई एक्सप्लोर करने को मिला. मेरी बेटी फर्स्ट टाइम उत्सव के लिए गई, उसने एंजॉय भी किया बहुत सारा, और बाकी एकेडमिक तो अच्छा रहा उसका, बहुत दोनों का बहुत अच्छा रहा.
कुछ इस साल काफ़ी ट्रिप्स हुए हैं, मैंने सुना है बच्चों का. तो इस साल के ट्रिप्स में बच्चों ने कुछ क्या नया सीखा या कहाँ कहाँ गए थे, तो वो आप मेंशन करना चाहिए.
They have enjoyed the trips very much. They went to Pugmark and Jim Corbett and the Pugmark workshop. And Urvansh, where you went for the trip? Yes. Gurgaon.
Gurgaon, Rangmanch.
So trips were very well organized, as well as they have enjoyed a lot. Except that also study-wise, this year was very good. Students have enjoyed a lot. They have learned a lot. Now, what we have communicated with the principal right now, she has mentioned focus for the next year. What are their focus and what they are going to achieve, how they are going to ensure that the students are going to be morally correct. Like nowadays, in the younger generation, there are different type of like challenges are there. नशे की तरफ और ये सब चीज़ों में all over India it is like that. So the focus is there, the clarity is there in the mind of the principal, that what she wants from the children, how she is going to guide them for the future, what the career counseling they are bringing. These are the good things. Only thing I just want to have, let the younger age, I am just thinking about the sports curriculum more, and it should be part of the class curriculum only. That is what my point is.
Definitely will take care. Thank you so much. Have a good day, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, sir. Good morning. Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, ma'am?
Very well, thank you.
Good morning. Okay, sir. So, just want to know about your experience for this particular year, 2004-25. How it was, कैसा रहा इन बच्चों के लिए, and for you as a parent.
So it has been a great year. All thanks to all the teachers, especially Poonam ma'am, the principal of the school. The kids got the opportunity to participate in all possible, not only the academics but the other activities as well. Samaira was part of the Utsav, which they went to Bangalore. Yet she could secure good marks, and I think we personally believe that the school is not only about the marks, percentage, ranks and all that. I think it is all about the overall growth of the kid, right? For us, Sarvangir Vikas, 360-degree growth of the kids are very important. And I think all thanks to you, the other teachers in the school, they put a lot of efforts. We being working parents, and then we could spend a very limited time with our kids. So whatever they are growing, they're doing, and all thanks to the teachers who are, I would say the first parents, of the kids, because you guys are teaching them how to walk, how to behave. And it is, as I said, it is not only about the numbers and the marks and what you do. I think it is the basic etiquettes.
The overall enhancement of the kids.
And I think the opportunity which the kids get for the inter-school, national levels and other things and all that, I think BGS has been there always. I was seeing the academics list and the scholar list, you could
Scholar list?
He was in academics this year.
But then
Congratulations, sir.
we were still, so happy to see that such a extensive list of scholars is very, very, very rare to see in any.
Many congratulations.
Thank you. And I think, we have also studied and the kind of hard work the teacher puts in, even for the annual days and graduation days, it is commendable. The results is visible, when we see.
I think Som was the part of this year graduation day. Yes, so how was it and how did he perform? And
He was very good. He was very good. I think.
We've seen the progress year on year. He's come to the school while he was in nursery, and right now, what we see him performing, I think thanks to you, the kind of hard work that you put, the entire teachers, they all put in the kids. It's all visible on the stage.
Winning and losing is not important. I think the confidence of the kid on the stage is very important. They are. I call them a COVID kids. They were the people who were studying in the COVID and on the laptops and all that. But after that, with you, Seema ma'am, and everybody, I think the kind of confidence these guys have shown, commendable. Thank you to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day. Thank you. Thank you. Hi sir, good morning.
Hi, morning.
How are you, sir?
All good after that.
I'm very good, sir. Sir, just want to know a few lines about this year. May I know your child name?
My child name is Ivan Chabda Ramani. This year has been a roller coaster actually. We have seen the improvements in him. We have seen the discipline improvements in him. You can see the medal he just got.
Wow. So, which medal and which activity?
This is basically a GK. GK. Exactly, if I'll say, that's basically a Mystic Land. Okay, he has got the medal in that. So definitely school and teachers and principal have put a very good effort. Okay. I was saying that my child, the result has been exchanged by someone else, because when I see he's doing so well. So this year is definitely an amazing, and all the best to the school and everyone.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Sir.
you.
Thank you. Hello sir, good morning ma'am. Hello. How are you sir?
Very fine.
Very much good. Thank you sir. So final PTM today?
Yeah, but he's in right now class 11.
11. He has 11th PTM. Right?
Yeah, 11th PTM. Yes.
Okay. So sir, I just want to know how was your experience about this 24-25, and your child is a head boy, I think. So what do you feel as a parent, and what do you feel as become a head boy? So just want to.
Yeah, so I was telling that beyond course curriculum, there are many parameters where the growth is required for a child, for the overall development of a child. So, even beyond that, BGS, we have a blessings of revered gurus, and the most important thing which I found out about this institution is that there is a connect which is going to stay for a very, very long time. Even children, the students cannot forget about this institution. Even I can find that teachers also have a connect with the children as well as the parents. That is going to give a very important way of life. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. And you want to say something?
Yes, obviously it's a good feeling to be the head boy of the school. I've been in the school from nursery, so yes, the ethos of the school are like engraved in me. So it's a good feeling overall, and it's fun, to do all the activities that, except from studying, that you get to do, and organizing all the functions that take place in the school. It's a good feeling overall. Yes.
So, see, although as far as I know that at each step, every teacher is important, and I think every teacher has given you some memories. But still, if you want to mention any particular teacher from the beginning of your story.
Not there is any particular teacher. All the teachers in our school are very supportive. They celebrate with us, whether it's a small or a big achievement, they are always with us. So I can't pick any single teacher like that, but all of them are great.
May I answer?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So I want to name a few whom I think we have a great connect with them. This is not that other teachers are not good, but we have some special connect. Like I would like to mention the name of Shastri sir. He is teaching them Sanskrit in their 8th and 9th class. And then Aparna ma'am, mathematics, a great teacher, of course. And I remember the very first teacher, that is in nursery, Seema ma'am. So, and beyond everyone, that we have a very nice and a leadership from that is senior leadership, that is principal ma'am, Poonam Gupta ma'am. And overall, all are fantastic.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग
गुड मॉर्निंग सर
गुड मॉर्निंग सर गुड मॉर्निंग
गुड मॉर्निंग
मॉर्निंग सो अभी जस्ट मुझे पता चला है कि आपने अपनी क्लास 7th में, राइट? तो 7th में आपने अपनी क्लास में टॉप किया है, तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
आई एम रियली फीलिंग गुड. फर्स्ट आई वांट टू थैंक माय टीचर्स फॉर बीइंग सो सपोर्टिव टू माय this result. I really want to depict this result to my teachers as they supported very well to me. So that's my.
Alright, sir. As a parent, sir, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Yeah, so I want to just tell you one thing. So this school is very good as far as academic is concerned. Apart from academic, this school is also very good from extracurricular activities also. And another part is this school is a big achievement for the teacher retention. Teacher retention is very high in this school. So overall performance of this school is very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
Especially Poonam ma'am, the activity of Poonam ma'am is very good because Poonam ma'am is also watching each and every child, and she is also watching regarding the activities of each children and in the school premises. So overall, the school performance is very good.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, ma'am. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
We are doing fine.
Very nice. So, ma'am, I just want to know that how was this year for him, and how did he perform in academics and rest co-curricular activities, and what about the trips and all he have got, and any thing you want to specifically mention? So please.
I think this year, as last year as well, I think has been exceptional. We got the good exposure in all the trips that they had to the planetarium or to that Rangmanch farm. And that gave him an exposure to not only understand about things, but also understand how to work with the team, work with a lot of people, beat the adventure trip in terms of Rangmanch or planetarium. He actually developed a keen understanding and keen insight or interest into those space, world and all those things. So I think for me, the biggest takeaway was the trip to planetarium for him, which I would have planned, but I couldn't, and school actually did that. So since then, he has developed a huge interest in that, and he is actually pursuing that. Apart from that, I think from academic standpoint, he's done very well, and thanks to all the teachers. They have actually pushed him, motivated him, and made sure that he actually performs. He probably has his skill set, but I think it is the push from the teachers, the learning that they gave, the motivation that teachers provided him actually ensured that he performs well, not only in the school, but also in the Olympiad, the various exams that he has taken, the state logic quiz, state plus, all the exams he has taken. I think he has done well. We are completely satisfied, or we are actually overwhelmed with how the school has panned out. It's been a great experience.
Thank you, ma'am. You want to say something?
Similar things that he's been performing good with the help of the teachers, and overall other exposure is also very good in other fields also. Like he went to excursion, Rangmanch, where he got to do a lot of adventure things. So he got the experience in that. So
You want to say something, Vihan?
nothing.
It has been a great year, and had a lot of fun with my
So you are excited for the new class?
Yes.
In which class now you are in?
Class 4.
Class 4 you have promoted to class 4. You remember your first day? You came here and you were a very small boy, and now you are a big boy. Okay, you remember my name?
Kamal sir.
What do I teach?
Dance.
Wow, you still remember my dances or forgot?
I forgot.
We still remember those
Songs.
fire truck
Fire
song. Fire truck song.
You
We still
remember the
keep
song?
playing those.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank Hello, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
All good, Kamal. How are you?
I'm very good, ma'am. Doing good. So, ma'am, how do you sum up this year? Would you like to say a few lines about this?
I sum up this year as a very progressive and a proficient year. After pandemic, I realized that children had gone down in their academics, in co-curricular and many more things, and there was a huge gap which was to be built. But I'm happy to say that in these 2 years we built that gap, and I could see so many children getting into academic excellence, into scholar badge. So after pandemic, there was a growth I could see among children. In the foundation wing, I saw the growth during the graduation day, how from level 2 to level 3 to class 1 and class 2, how children have progressed. And the progress was immense. In the preparatory wing, I saw most of the children getting proficient and progressive, whereas they were at the beginning level after the pandemic. 6 to 8, I saw good growth in children in terms of scholars badge and academic excellence. We also saw so many centum this year. That means children have covered that pandemic gap, and the gap is bridged by the teachers. Class 9 to 12, of course, we are still waiting for our 10 and 12 results, but 9 and 11 has also done well. It is not only the academic achievements which I sum up as, I think we've also done very well with the co-curricular activities. And when I was going through the newsletters, I'm talking about the class newsletter, not the school newsletter. When I was going through the class newsletter, I realized that how well children have performed in various activities. When I was going through the paintings done by the children, the expression section, I think I was so happy to look at everything, that how talented children are. So I'm happy to see the growth in scholastic and co-scholastic areas of the school, and I wish everyone good luck for the coming session.
And ma'am, would you like to say a few words for us as a teachers and for parents and for children?
I always say that there is nothing but a bright future. The bright future is only possible when you have a good team of teachers. And I'm proud of my teachers. Everyone works hard throughout the year to ensure that every child does well. Not only that, I love the connect which is there between the children and the teachers. I think the connect is the most important word, which I totally believe in. And plus, our one-to-one interaction with everyone helps. And thank you, dear parents, for your support throughout. And just trust me that you've taken the right decision by putting your children to us. And we will never let you down. Thank you.